One of the dreadful things about diabetes is the fact that it causes other health problems when it is not treated early enough. If you have very high blood sugar, you may likely develop nerve damage, also known as neuropathy. This condition causes tingling of feet and hands with very sharp pains in some cases. This condition is very dangerous and uncomfortable. Nerve damage in diabetes is not curable. The only thing you can do is to make sure you keep your blood sugar in check. Vitamin B12 also helps to improve nerve damage and the pains that come with it. In this video, I'd like to enlighten you on foods that help with diabetes neuropathy. 1. Red meat. People suffering from diabetes neuropathy are advised to eat the lean part of red meat. This is a good source of vitamin B12, which helps to repair red blood cells and alleviate symptoms. This is not a go-ahead to eat fatty parts of red meat. It can cause more harm than good. 2. Liver. Another food that is high in vitamin B12 is the liver. It doesn't matter where you get the liver from. You can eat the liver of a cow, goat, ram, sheep, etc. Adding liver to your diet will go a long way to reducing the tingling you feel in your feet and hands. 3. Milk. Milk is a dairy product known to contain vitamin B12, which helps to alleviate the pains you feel due to nerve damage as a diabetes patient. You can also take other dairy products like yogurt, eggs, or cheese. It is also important that you still keep working to keep your blood sugar level in check.